In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a fax in Outlook. If you've ever needed to fax a document but don't have a physical machine, Outlook Plus, an online fax provider, makes it simple. Here's how to do it from start to finish with clarity. First, make sure you have an account with an online fax provider. Services like eFax, iFax, or Fax Plus give you a fax-enabled email address and do the heavy lifting. They convert your email and attachments into a fax on the receiving end, and they send confirmations back to your inbox. When you sign up, note the exact email format your provider uses for sending faxes, along with any limits on file size and supported file types. Open Outlook and create a new email message. You can do this on desktop, web, or mobile, whichever you're comfortable with. Using the account that's connected to your fax service keeps things seamless. In the To field, type the recipient's fax number followed by your provider's domain in the exact format they specify. It usually looks like fax number at servicedomain.com. Include the full number with country and area code, and remove spaces, dashes, or parentheses. A small typo here is the most common reason a fax fails, so take a moment to verify it. Use the subject line as the subject of your fax cover page. Then write your cover message in the body of the email, just like you would a normal email. Keep it concise, and include any reference numbers or attention lines the recipient needs. Avoid sensitive details in the body unless your provider supports secure fax and you've enabled it. Attach the document you want to fax by clicking the attachment icon and browsing to your file. PDF and Word files are common, but your provider will list all supported formats. Make sure the document is final, clearly named, and legible. High contrast, text-based PDFs tend to fax best. If you have multiple pages, attach them in the order you want them to appear. When everything looks good, click Send. Your provider receives the email, converts it into a fax, and delivers it to the recipient's machine. You'll get a confirmation email letting you know whether it was sent successfully. If you don't see it after a few minutes, check your spam or junk folder. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.